What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where if you're looking for more power out of your Maserati MC20 and 630 wasn't enough, well, you're in the right spot. Yes, 630 horses for the Maserati MC20 is a truly impressive car in itself, and it's certainly one of the most remarkable from this point of view among those present in the range of the traded car manufacturer. However, as we know, the world of car tuning is always looking for something a little bit more unique, something a little bit different. And in these cases, well, specialized companies come to the rescue, and the company on hand today is Novitec with another work of art from the company and this specific MC20 project. Novitec's tuning program for the Maserati MC20 strikes the most important elements: the car's V6 Nettuno engine that has been refined up to a maximum power of 711 horses, and you have a maximum torque of 818 newton meters. Now, in addition, a new sports exhaust system has been created, and the aerodynamics, overall appearance, and behavior on road supersports vehicle have been enhanced with an additional carbon fiber package, optimized suspension, and 21-inch wheels. Now, in the standard version, the Maserati MC20 is capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers in 2.9 seconds. While tuned though, this variant promises 0.1 seconds faster, 2.8, and the top speed remains unchanged, so it's somewhere around 325 kilometers an hour. Now, in typical Novitec fashion, the tuner has posted a video presentation on the MC20 on their YouTube where you can hear the sound of the Nettuno V6 after the detailed tour updates. But you can imagine that the same parts will be compatible with the MC20 Cielo drop top for those who aren't excited about the factory spec. But with that said, what do you guys think about Novitec's look on the Maserati MC20? 711 horses, but we're only getting 0.1 second faster, 0 to 60 with the same top speed. Now, it may be more about that exhaust note, so let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new Maserati MC20 Coupe by Novitec. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Guys, I appreciate the extra love and support you guys show. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch in case you guys want tank tops, joggers, leggings, fanny packs, everything Ron's Rides is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. So everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Fiat, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.